Hi, Jennifer, Rick. Well, the recent winter storm has slowed us all down these past few days, including the foot traffic that local businesses are used to seeing here in Nulu. Now, I'll step out the way because some of these small shops here and local businesses across the city reopened today, and owners I spoke with are hopeful that people who did venture out are shopping local.
Our local businesses are what makes Louisville really thrive and be special. So, it's important to get out and support us.
The severe winter storm in our area with record snowfall, ice and bitter cold kept people home and businesses closed. And for Louisville's small businesses, state of emergency had a whole new meaning.
The bills don't stop just because it snows, so I know we were going to worry about closing for a couple days. Our employees are worried about closing. So, that revenue stops and it does hurt for sure.
After shoveling and salting the sidewalk and clearing the entrance for customers, Four Pegs, a Black-owned restaurant in Germantown, was one of many businesses that reopened quickly after the storm. And owner Chris Williams says, surprisingly, with steady foot traffic.
We had tons of people from the neighborhood coming over. Gets people out of their houses, gives them some warm food in their belly. And, people are a little stir crazy right now.
Customers are also patronizing other local businesses across the city. And while it's not at the rate shops are used to seeing, particularly in the hustle and bustle of Nulu, businesses like Story, a co-working space, appreciate those who do stop by.
We've got people that come in when they have power outages or if their Wi-Fi is down. So we kind of give people a second little home when they need to get back to work but can't.
The owner of Vinyl Warehouse, a local craft store in Fern Creek, also expresses gratitude for those who shop local, both in-store and online.
Small businesses, it's my heart. If I can support local, I do. We've had an outreach of just amazing customers that do support us through all this.
And as our area braces for another round of winter weather toward week's end, local businesses are also preparing for the impact, but more importantly, the bounce back.
We've been shoveling, salting. We've got the snow plows out in our lot. So we're just kind of trying to stay on top of it.
We're going to have to play it by ear, but, fortunately, a lot of us do live right around here. So we will try to be open if we can, try to keep some money in these guys' pockets.
And as always, a reminder for those who are out and about with plans to shop local, take your time and please do so safely. Live from Nulu, I'm Alexis Matthews, WOKY News.
Thanks.